Excellencies, distinguished delegates, throughout the years, as an IMO member state and a council member, Thailand remains strongly committed to advancing cooperation with IMO and its member states to pursue the common goals of IMO and related UN Sustainable Development Goals in ensuring safe and secure shipping and enhancing sustainability of the ocean. Thailand has fully incorporated the IMO objectives into its national maritime strategy. This will guide our efforts to enhance safety of life at sea and work on refining pollution prevention measures while fostering greater compliance with IMO instruments. To this end, Thailand has adopted an integrated advanced technology in its maritime database. Also, Thailand has recently established the Maritime Safety and Surveillance Operation Center, the Maritime Single Window to facilitate seamless international maritime trade. Against the backdrop of the COVID-19 pandemic, Thailand stressed the need to recognize our seafarers as key workers during these challenging times. Our commitment is reflected through our chairmanship in ASEAN framework to initiate measures, recommendation, and action in ensuring the livelihood of seafarers. We continue to uphold the principle of human rights by implementing a wide range of relief measures as well as provision of vaccination programs for marine personnel. Thailand also attaches great importance to protecting the environment and addressing climate change with an immediate goal to reduce GHG emissions by 20 to 25% by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. In the transport sector, a series of green maritime projects have been rolled out, such as electric vessels and the development of green ports. Thailand will continue to spearhead regional efforts to address marine debris. We will continue to actively contribute to the development of international guidelines and capacity building tools, as well as raise global awareness to combat marine debris. In the long term, last but not least, Thailand reaffirms our commitment to the work of IMO, particularly in the area of capacity building and technical cooperation that enable member states to fully implement IMO instruments. Moving forward, Thailand stands ready to work closely with our partner in the global maritime community to advance SDGs that leave no one behind. Ladies and gentlemen, Thailand would like to extend its appreciation to IMO for the hard work in coordinating responses to the global maritime disruption. Thailand looks forward to providing continuous assistance where possible to those most in need to build back better and stronger from the pandemic. Thank you for your kind attention.